Okay, something new for this week. Note. Grounded socket. Now, why, Kim, is it on that wall? Because that's where my cabinetry goes, and that's where I need a receptacle for the convection oven / microwave. And then we had one more addition put in at the same time, and that one is right here behind the toilet. And what, pray tell, is that for, Kim? Well, that is for my Toto toilet with electrical bidet. All right, so stop laughing. That's what they're for. And we got those done this week. The most important part, of course, was getting this outlet in up here, because that allows us now to put in the cabinetry. So I'm very excited. One more movement. It's a movement at a time here.